All right, today we're gonna make an amazing eggnog pie. It's great for the holidays, family gatherings, other occasions too. It's super quick and simple. Take a bowl, get yourself some instant vanilla pudding, throw that in your bowl. And you're gonna want 2 cups of eggnog. It tastes great with regular off-the-shelf eggnog of any sort, whatever's your favorite. If you use the store-bought fakey tasting stuff, your pie will end up a little more sweeter and have that fakey eggnog flavor. If you want something a little more rounded flavor-wise, find a nicer eggnog. I bought this at a local farm. It's delicious, not fakey and sweet. Definitely a better end result with this, but it'll be delicious either way. Pour that in. Whisk it up. All right, once that's nice and smooth, gonna get yourself pie crust ready. Whatever floats your boat. I like graham cracker, using a graham cracker crust. Use whatever kind you want. Get that ready. Next step, grab yourself a tub of Cool Whip. Easy peasy. Put that in there. You're just gonna fold it. Don't need to stir vigorously. Just slowly fold it, incorporate it into that mixture without letting all the air out so it stays fluffy. Yeah, get in there. Slowly but surely. I use about a half a tub. Not quite the whole thing. Yeah. Looking good, nice and fluffy. Yeah, I think that's looking good. Now that this is incorporated, you're simply gonna fill up your pie dish. Perfect. Last step, just sprinkle the tiniest bit of nutmeg on top. Now put that in the fridge just until it stiffens, hardens up. All right, after a little while in the fridge, it's gonna stiffen up. Nice and stiff, no more jiggly. Slap some on a plate. Use a little dollop of that last bit of Cool Whip you got. There you go. Delish. So good, so quick, so easy. Give it a try. This is way better than just making a regular chocolate cream pie or vanilla pudding pie, something like that. Something different. Super good. I hope you enjoy. Give it a try. Thanks. Bye.